You've signed the contract and your new HVAC system is on the way, but what actually happens on installation day? Will your heat shut off if your Wi-Fi drops? Do you need to stay home and babysit the crew? And what happens to that massive warranty if you decide to sell the house?
Get Eco.
I'm Cameron with Eco Plumbers, Electricians, and HVAC Technicians. We know you have questions, and instead of waiting until our trucks are in your driveway, we're going to give you the straight answers right now so you know exactly what to expect. If your internet goes down, will you freeze? No. Your furnace and air conditioner do not need the internet to operate. If your Wi-Fi drops, your system will continue heating and cooling your home exactly like it's supposed to. The only thing you lose is the ability to change the temperature from the app on your phone. Until your router comes back online, you just have to walk over to the wall and adjust the thermostat the old-fashioned way. Absolutely. You don't need to take a full day off work or hover over our technicians. When we arrive, the lead installer will walk through the project with you to make sure everyone is on the same page. After that, you're free to leave, run errands, or head to the office. We take trust seriously. Every single installer who walks into your home is background checked, drug screened, and directly employed by us. These are the same technicians we trust in our own homes. Not all HVAC systems sound the same, and the noise level depends entirely on the technology you choose. Single-stage systems are the loudest. They turn on at 100% power every time. Two-stage systems are a noticeable step down in noise. Variable speed systems are the quietest option on the market. Some variable speed units run at just 50 to 55 decibels. That's quieter than a normal conversation. We include decibel ratings in our proposals so you know exactly what you're paying for before we install it. In almost every case, yes. Older HVAC systems were built like blunt instruments. The compressors were clunky, the blower motors only had one speed, and sound dampening technology barely existed. Modern equipment, especially variable speed systems, ramp up gradually. It doesn't jolt awake and shake the floorboards. The result is a dramatically quieter home inside and out. Yes, but there is a catch that most contractors won't tell you. While manufacturer warranties usually transfer to the new homeowner, the coverage is almost always reduced. If you get a 10-year parts warranty today and sell your house in 3 years, the new buyer usually only gets a 5-year warranty from the date of the original install. It's an industry standard, but it's an important detail to know if you're planning to move. Yes, if you have your heart set on a specific brand, we can usually get it. However, there is a reason we recommend and specialize in certain manufacturers. We partner with brands where we know the engineering inside and out, and more importantly, where we can get replacement parts instantly. If your heat goes out on Christmas Eve, you don't want us waiting 2 weeks for a specialty part from a brand we rarely install. We stick to what we know is reliable and serviceable. Homeowners are often shocked to see the air conditioner priced higher than the furnace. It comes down to raw materials and mechanical complexity. Your AC system requires heavy amounts of copper and aluminum, both of which fluctuate in price. Plus, the outdoor condenser is essentially the engine of your entire system. It houses the compressor, which is the single most expensive and complex component in your HVAC setup. A standard HVAC installation does not include duct cleaning. We are strictly focused on tearing out the old equipment, setting up the new system, and dialing in the airflow and refrigerant. Duct cleaning is a highly specialized, completely separate service. If you have severe allergies, a lot of pets, or just survived a dusty home remodel, getting your ducts cleaned is a great idea, but it requires an entirely different set of tools and a separate appointment. If you already have your installation scheduled with us, thank you. We hope this cleared some of the mystery around install day. If we missed anything, write down your questions and hand them to our lead installer during your morning walkthrough. Replacing your HVAC system is a massive investment, and we want you to feel confident and stress-free from the moment we arrive to the moment we turn the new system on. Thanks for watching. We'll see you on install day.